Hello everybody, my presentation today is going to be on types of diabetes and prevention of the disease. What is diabetes? Diabetes mellitus is a chronic disease that results from either the inability of the beta cells of the pancreas to produce enough insulin or due to the failure of the body cells to effectively use the insulin produced by the beta cells of pancreas. Types of diabetes mellitus. Before a patient is diagnosed with diabetes, it would have been in a pre-diabetes state, which is a serious health condition with blood sugar levels higher than normal but not high enough to meet the diagnosis as type of type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is when the beta cells of pancreas produce little or no insulin and is commonly found in children. Type 2 diabetes is due to the resistance of the body cells to insulin produced by the beta cells of the pancreas, while gestational diabetes is blood sugar above normal values but below the values used for the diagnosis of the diabetes and occurs during pregnancy. Prevention of diabetes. Diabetes can be prevented by achieving and maintaining healthy body weight, be physically active, at least 30 minutes of regular exercise every day, eat a healthy diet, avoiding sugar and saturated fats, avoid tobacco use, which can lead to cardiovascular disease. I'm going to take you to World Health Organization view about on type 2 diabetes. Key facts on type 2 diabetes by World Health Organization is that the prevalence has been on rapid increase in the middle age and low income countries. Diabetes is a major cause of blindness, kidney failure, heart attacks and stroke, and lower limb amputation. 1.6 million deaths were directly caused by diabetes. Almost half of all deaths attributable to high blood glucose occur before the age of 70. Healthy diet, regular exercise activity, and maintaining a normal body weight and avoiding are, tobacco use are ways to prevent or delay the onset of diabetes. Diabetes can be treated and its consequences avoided or delayed with diet. World Health Organization defined diabetes, which we've done earlier, and they also discussed about type 1 diabetes, which is previously known as insulin-dependent, juvenile or childhood onset, and type 2 diabetes is formerly known or called non-insulin dependent or adult onset, while gestational diabetes is a hypoglycemia state in pregnancy women. Common consequences of diabetes by World Health Organization includes adults with diabetes have a 2 to 3-fold increased risk of heart attack combined with nerve damage, which can cause diabetic neuropathy, diabetic retinopathy, which can cause blindness and heart attacks, and kidney failures, which can cause renal diseases. Burden of diabetes can be reduced by achieving and maintaining healthy body weight, be physically active at least 30 minutes of regular exercise, eat healthy, avoid sugar and saturated fat intake, and avoid tobacco use. Diagnosis and treatment. Type 1 diabetes can be treated with insulin, which is seen in children, and type 2 diabetes can be treated with oral medication and may require insulin also, which is seen in adult, and gestational diabetes can be treated with insulin too. World Health Organization response on diabetes is to provide scientific guidelines for the prevention of major non-communicable diseases, including diabetes, develop norms and standards for diabetes diagnosis and care, build awareness on the global epidemic of diabetes, marking World Diabetes Day, November 14, and conduct surveillance on the diabetes and its risk factors. And I'm going to take you to the flyers that will give us overview of diabetes. Diabetes is on the rise. About 4.22 million adults have diabetes worldwide, and 1.5 million deaths caused by diabetes. Main types of diabetes are type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. The consequences of diabetes can lead to complications in many parts of the body and increases the risk of dying prematurely, which is stroke, blindness, heart attack, kidney failure, and amputation. Here ends my presentation. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye. One minute.
Diabetes, hypoglycemia,
Hmm?
of hyperglycemia. Abana kwatan da yake yi sibiri ya control easy. Ko ite ku ne define la ye.
Nebe.
Very